What's up, everybody? First dumpster, what we got? Big fat 0 today in this one. Alright. Hopefully we can find some things, fill up the truck, find some treasures, all that good stuff. Just filled up with gas. Better reset my odometer. $21 in the little truck. That's what we gotta make by the time we fill up again. So let's go find some trash or treasures or scrap, something. We'll find plenty of trash, but you know what I'm saying. Let's do the digging in the dumpsters and stuff. Hey, we got our first victim. That's a pretty nasty one, isn't it? Hold on. Metal shred. Is that all that was in there? Was a vacuum? That's all that I see. Alright. Yep. Gladly take a vacuum. On the board. Oh, we got a big find right here on top of the dumpsters. Nothing on the inside. There's a few cents though. And they left it there for us. We'll take it. We're gonna have to hunt us up a tote today. I forgot to put one in the truck. I don't think I had any empty. I'm using my good clean ones for storing sellable stuff. I've been pricing a few things. I get bored of it pretty quick. Alright, on we go. I can't tell if this is plastic or steel. Guess we're gonna stick in there. That is steel. Do not let go. Let's get some of this trash out there. Golly. There we go, we got her now. Maybe. Hunk of steel. Had to wear myself out of business. We got it. I wonder if there's any more down there. I don't know. Those bags are heavy. I'm at school and it's full of like school lunches and stuff. Or you know, food. On we go. Cheating again. I'll seen some pots and pans. More than I thought too. Come on now. That one in the back can stay, I guess, because I can't reach it. And I'm not jumping in. Don't want to. that sack. Okay. Whatever, you guys. The truck's running. I hear y'all giving me a hard time about it. We did it. Another quarter in the truck though. Aluminum, nice. Some stuff left out here, but I don't see no scrap metal. Some tile. This thing is mashed on the end, so I'm gonna say it's my brass Elvis now. Trim it up later. Maybe. I'm just gonna throw it away at least. Might be some stuff in this bag. Ugh. The water on there. No, I don't see anything with any value to anybody. Alright, we got our brass. Let's get on down the creek. Put it down there in the floorboard. Seen a bike here by these trash cans. I wanted to check them out and see. Oh yeah, the tire's off of it. The tire's off of it. There's a TV back behind there too. We'll take grab it. It rode its last ride, didn't it? Oh yeah, that one's ready to go. Screen's already off. It's got a black widow on it though. And I'm not talking about y'all guys' mother-in-law. There it went. Alright. Cool. Not really super exciting stuff down here, but yeah, there's a wet paint on it, but I want to get this though. Just don't want to touch it. Yeah. It's dry enough. Alright. That's about all I see. Nothing too exciting yet. Huh, guys? There's some tidbits up here. It's worth grabbing. That's worth grabbing. I did some rearranging a while ago. A little bit of aluminum, a little bit more. I think it's aluminum. Yeah, it all adds up, they say. These are like throwing nickels and dimes in the truck. It's like throwing a quarter. That's the way I look at it on things. There's some more nickels and dimes over here. You know, the first big gust of wind, you come back here, this stuff will be all in the woods. So, really doing them a favor. Look, now I'm doing them a bigger favor. Well, those nickels and dimes we won't mess with. There's some aluminum. Dropping some of it went down to the bottom. Let's put it in the truck. I was gonna try to put it in the box, but that box ain't the best. Well, these ain't full of copper, huh, guys? $1 or $2 in aluminum, though. That's a nice run of it. Hey, some of it does have copper wire. It all has copper wire. I didn't think it did. By Georgie. Well, some of it does, some of it don't, but old Georgie got by Georgie in his name, didn't he? I wonder how that happened. Instead of, what do they got in here? Nothing. I knew there was some more back there. Yes, most of it don't. Alright, we got some more shred up top we'll grab. And then I think that's about it. If I can reach her. Oh, this door is almost open. On this thing. pieces back there. Missed a step. I'm not leaving it. I don't know what we'll come across today. This stuff is nice and manageable. You know? There's a few pieces we left back there, but I'll go back there and get them real quick. I'll leave y'all on for the Sawzall blade. Biggin'. There's some ceiling grid. All right, one more trip. Some good plywood pieces, cut off pieces, but Mr. Scrappy built the whole shack with those, and he did a good job. I think we got this one licked that I can see. So we've been checking it every week. Only one scratch. Yeah, I did not open that door like that, so I got it chained. On we go. Boy, that scared me. There's somebody went bow fishing or something, or fishing of some sort. There's a drum and an alligator gar in there, and I thought at first it was a snake. There's a Swiffer in there, but it's covered in fish, dead drum and stuff. So I'm not gonna mess with it, but I figure I'd show y'all that. Somebody went bow fishing, I bet. Oh, I've seen some stuffs in here. I don't know what we got, but it's another. Got a crocky pot. Down on crocky pot. Crocky pot, Tennessee. I'm so sorry, I'm easily entertain myself sometimes. This is a heavy one, boy. I'm gonna say copper transformer. Of course, that tin didn't do too much staying where I put it. This looks like some. Oh, there's something else right there. A cooker. Oh goodness. Oh. Let me regain my composure without cussing. Just hit my elbow on that darn thing right there. we get to get our Swiffer after all. Scratching some dog hair off of me and some kind of just get me going. Oh. Let's just hit these bags and see if there's any metal or anything. Yeah, nothing I want to mess with, you know. Oh, clothes. Sounds. Golly, a lot of people. Let's get out of here. So we put some more junk in the truck. A microwave, crock pot, little cooker thing, and a Swiffer. And a hurt elbow. But luckily, old Coonts is tougher than woodpecker lips. I don't know about that, but on we go. Oh, a mop stick. We hit it big time, didn't we? Seen a glimpse of it. May have to smells like a perm in there. Where you at, little grabber? That looks to be brass. Oh yeah, it's because it's maybe brass, I don't know. At least aluminum, huh? That one's still got the copper goodness on it. Oh yeah, and a brass tap right there on it. Dang, this is actually better than I thought it was. Oh, this thing is look at that chunk of brass. And brass, and it's got a copper fitting. Ding! Alright, what we got left? These little hoses. Sometimes I clean these. These are big, pretty big brass nuts. Let's see what's in those boxes just to be safe. I don't want to forget nothing. That was cool, man. That was a good little bit of brass and stuff. Don't know if I did that or not. Alright. Heck yeah. I guess we'll see what's in this case. Looks to be aluminum case or something. If I can get it. There we go. Nothing, just a case. That's plastic. We'll shred it. Got enough for shredder. Aluminum breaking one. Alright. Oh, looky here. They must have seen me digging. We will take that little stove for sure. Heck yeah. They must have seen me digging in here last week. Like, I know somebody will pick it up. Come on, tailgate. There we go. Right there. I reckon. Throw the screw back there before it hits the road. Somebody came and got some good off of it. What else we got in here? Anything? Cool. This thing hanging out of the can, man. Microwave acquired. That's 2 microwaves acquired, actually. You guys wanted to deploy the magnet stick. Oh, wait. They're not sticky. What do we have? Aluminum? I don't think this ain't gonna get it. Just had to reposition, that's all. Fishing pole. That's at least some aluminum or something. I think that's aluminum. Alright. That one took long enough, didn't it? Well, not for y'all. I'm gonna edit out the boring parts. On we go. Got some dumpsters on that. I can't get that. Cord to something. Okay. There's a broom, but it's good enough. A little peak of a metal sticking out here. That's about all I see. Hope y'all can see it. Change the battery. Look, we got us a lamp. Oh, there he is. It ain't a show without Fold 'em Up Joe. Made his appearance. Nice. Thanks for showing up, Joe. digging a can, man. Oh, and there's some gutter up there too. Oh. Fire pit don't look half bad, except for the top being messed up. Till I'd break it. Some aluminum. What are we gonna do here? Nope. We can do something like that though. I'm gonna turn my truck off, let it rest for a second. Well, I got one of the reasons I like having a ladder up here. I broke that one. I might cut it in two. That's probably why I got it cut in two. Alright. I have to put some more on it here in a minute. And get another one on that one over there. I'll see y'all at the next stop. I think I see a stainless steel. Yeah. If this little house don't fall. Oh, if we don't huff and puff. Blow the house down. Oh, I don't know if I want to go up in here, but I think I see something in this dumpster. Oh, no, that's a scrap mirage, I can tell you from here. It was a trash bag, I thought it was a sink. Alright, nothing. False alarm. Oh, hold up. Got a cord. Don't have my screw gun with me, or I would take this yoke out of here. It'd be a nice big one too. You know what? If I can do it without breaking the deal, we might be able to get it. There we go. I almost busted it, didn't I? There we go. do is just gonna loosen that a little bit. Good order to it. Oh, come on, baby. Don't want to be here too long. Cut some more of the wires off. Yeah, it's usually the bigger TV have a bigger yoke. Yoke. Whatever. We don't like watching you take things apart. Sometimes I have to in a dumpster diving video. Alright, let's see about this one. If it's copper or aluminum. It's aluminum. We're gonna leave it. Alright. I ain't gonna fight for aluminum wire. I'll fight for some copper. Alright. We got it. Oh, they're down there pressure washing. One time I went through here. There's a dumpster on the other side. There used to be that, I don't know if y'all remember, like a HVAC dumpster down here. And they moved it to the front of the building when I was coming through here. And there's a restaurant too. And they're pressure washing, and I went to back up to get out of their way, and when I did, I ran over one of the things they were pressure washing. Man, I felt bad, and they wasn't too upset. They were like, that's what we get for leaving it in front of the deal. What's that, a monitor? I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can get with that. Monitor stand. I think that's plastic anyway. So I ain't getting a popcorn tin. It's alright. On we go. Be easier here. Goodness, that was a chore. One cord. Alright, this is the police impound lot. I think this is what I think this is what I think it is. Oh, that's just a knife. I thought it was a switchblade. Or it is, isn't it? Where it jumps up. Really? How's that work? Is there a button? Yeah, the button. It's right there and it's broke. Scrap metal though. I probably pulled it off somebody. Now we can deploy the magnet stick, I'm pretty sure. Give it. Give it. Anything else in there? I don't see nothing. Alright. There's a box of these traps. Mouse traps. They're metal. Let's watch for rat poison. It's covered in it. Alright. On we go. I believe I can take this. Or no, I don't think I can. Let me look at it. Thought we had a... Maybe look at it. No. All plastic. I thought the back was metal. Got duped. Is it gonna be stinky? Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. It's full of rotten meat. Nope. Oh. Whoa. Gosh, I opened it. Nope. That's probably why it's still there. Whew, fudge. Come on, people. Throw that crap away. Somebody will take it, turn it upside down, and rinse it out with a water hose. If you want it gone. Gosh. Whew. Alright. Couple umbrellas. One that's already skinned. Come on. Come on. Come on. Guess while we're here, I wonder if those are steel or aluminum. Just where it won't get caught up on stuff. Oh, stay. No, not gonna stay. I have to get the magnet stick. If they're steel, it may be aluminum. Find out. Deploy. Steel. Deploy. Oh, the steel. That's all right. 1, 2, 3, up and over. Alright. Banana trees. Right there. Y'all are saying Mr. Scrappy's is not a banana tree. That's the same tree, that's a banana tree. I've been there for years because I used to live over here, and they come back. You don't have to take them inside. There's more right down here. And yes, it gets below freezing here in Arkansas. It gets down to the zeros and colder. And like, there's some more right here. Banana trees, and those have been there for 15 years. There used to be a lot more, but they used to be on both sides. But yeah, they come back every year. You just got, I don't know much about them, but everybody's saying his won't come back. I promise you, I'd bet you $100 they're gonna come back. So yeah, there ain't no elephant ear either. Elephant ear looks like an elephant's ear. Jeez. Love y'all. All right, here's some big banana trees. Look at the size of them. Guess what? They come back every year. Y'all quit picking on my friend Buddy Scrappy just because he got him a free banana tree. Just had to tell him and it won't come back. It'll come back, Scrappy. I said so. And that's the bottom line. All right, enough talking about trees. Let's go find some scrap. If you don't know, now you know. You know? A little piece of scrappy script. All right, everybody, that's it. We're back at the scrap shack. So we ran everything. I think we did all right. Could have did a little better, but could have did a lot worse, I guess. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all had fun, because I really did have fun. Wasn't too hot, so found some stuff. A lot of brass there at that one point. So yeah, y'all guys have a good one. See y'all guys on the next one.